Crisp morning air, a park aglow with sunrise. Birds, those beautiful creatures, start their symphony. Each chirp, a note, each tweet, a melody. Picture the robin, its song a lively fluting warble, a sure sign of spring's arrival. Now imagine the blackbird, its rich mellow tune, flowing through the air like a soft lullaby. And then the chaffinch, with its rhythmic chipper song, a delightful addition to the choir. These songs, they're not just charming, they're beneficial. They reduce stress, improve mood, and even boost creativity. So next time you're in a park, pause, listen to the birds. Let their songs wash over you. Let their music heal you. Remember, nature's symphony is always playing. All you need to do is tune in.